How to change your name on Tinder. Let's get started. Launch your Tinder app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to this one option given at the bottom right corner. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now here you're going to find your profile picture. And at the top right of it, you're going to see this pen kind of icon. Click on it. You will land to the edit info page. Now here you're going to find different sections. You can just scroll and check out. You can customize all these settings, but you won't find the option to change your name because at the moment there is no such option within Tinder to change name. You are able to update any information from here, but at the moment you cannot change the name on Tinder. You have to delete your account and again create a new account in order to change your name on Tinder. As of right now, this is the only solution. But if in the future Tinder comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear if you can change your name on Tinder or not. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.